Hi, Mr. X with glossary term inductive logic. It's the logic we use when we gather data from observation and we look at things after the event. We can contrast this with deductive logic. We would employ deductive logic before the event. You know it would be a bad idea to jump off the Empire State Building. You know that before jumping off. So don't jump off. That's why they have big bars up there. Keep people from doing something stupid like that. There are a couple of Latin terms to apply here. A posteriori, posterior, after the event. This is the logic that goes with inductive reasoning. A priori, prior, before, goes with deductive logic, before the event. A good example of inductive logic: you find an old can of soup in the cupboard where the label has come off. You don't know what kind of soup it is. So you open it up and you try a little bit of it. You have to taste it before you know what kind of soup it is. Well, that would be inductive logic. You have to taste it first. You can only use the logic after you've tasted the soup. Maybe that's not the best example. One logic is not better than the other. Sometimes you want to use deductive logic, sometimes you want to use inductive logic. It depends on what you're dealing with. But I will say this: for the certification of our teachers, to get the best teachers we can into the classroom, we need to quit using deductive logic and start using inductive logic to get the best professionals into our classrooms. Learn the language of mathematics at MrXmath.com.